Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError cannot unpack non-iterable int object. The error message, TypeError cannot unpack non-iterable int object, usually occurs when you try to unpack an integer value into multiple variables using iterable unpacking syntax such as tuple unpacking or list unpacking. For example, consider the following code snippet. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. Here, the integer value 10 is assigned to the variable x. The next line attempts to unpack x into two variables a and b, but since x is an integer and not an iterable object, Python raises a type error with the message, cannot unpack non-iterable int object. To fix this error, you need to make sure that you are unpacking an iterable object such as a list or tuple instead of an integer. For example, the following code will work correctly. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this case, the tuple, 10, 20, is assigned to the variable x, and then unpacked into two variables a and b using tuple unpacking syntax. The values of a and b will be 10 and 20 respectively.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.